A short nap with slow-wave sleep can dramatically boost memory retention and reshape what viewers believe a power nap can do. Venus spins backwards and takes longer to rotate once than to orbit the sun, so a day exceeds a year. Octopuses carry 3 hearts and blue blood, a biology so alien that scientists still marvel at its clever adaptations. Humans share about half of their genes with bananas, a playful reminder that life on Earth is strangely interconnected. Sea sponges can rebuild lost tissue and recover from injury, demonstrating astonishing regenerative power for future medicine.